In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to export with transparent background in Premiere Pro. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your Premiere Pro project. Then from here, you need to find your transparent background that you want to export and click on the player sequence and go up to export. Then from here you need to go up to file name and change that to something you can remember and easily find on your computer. Then from here you can also change the location of where you want your file to be saved. Then from here you need to go down to format and change that to QuickTime. From here you need to go up to preset and then you need to go down to more presets and search for GoPro Cineform RGB 12-bit with alpha at maximum bit depth and click on that. Then from here you just simply need to click explore like so, and as you can see your video has been successfully exported. Now you can easily find it wherever you have located or saved that file. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!